Alright guys, so today we're going to be replacing this cup holder for this 2004 Ford F-250. I know they seem to break on a lot of people that have these, so this is how you replace it. So you need a 7mm socket, and you have one screw here and one screw on the opposite side. So you could take those out right now. One. It's a tight space. Make sure you guys have an extension. Makes it way easier. There's two. Okay, now that you guys have these taken out, you have two more down here. So we're gonna go ahead and take these out. Those two. Once you guys take this piece out, we need to go ahead and get two screws that are in there. You guys won't be able to see them, but just peek your head in there and you'll get them. All right, so once you take out those two other screws that were in there, you should be able to just come right out like this. Then we're gonna clean that up a little and then go ahead and put everything right back. Same sequence like you took it out. So we got the new piece here. I got one screw. We're gonna do the other 7mm on this side. It's fairly easy. So I'll show you guys how it looks when we got all 6 screws put in. Alright guys, I'm all done. This is the finished product. Just like that. Follow and subscribe, guys.